Alright. Sorry about the noise. Back at my mate's garage. I haven't been doing anything for a while because I've had COVID. I'm still a bit suffering with it. I haven't got COVID anymore, but I'm still suffering. So I've come to help him out on one of his cars. This one here. This thing here is the N14 1.6 Cooper S. It's not starting. It's had a new block. The block's been done by another garage. They've had the block replaced, put the head and everything back on, and it won't start. Test the compression. Apparently the compression's fine. So this is how I got it. No lights, nothing in. Pipes hanging off. Oil everywhere. But yeah. And a bit of a state inside. So yeah, got this to do. So I need a waveform. So I need a waveform for an N14 Cooper S. I think I'm saying that right. N14 B16. I don't know. I'm not clued up on my minis like my mate is. So I'm going to tackle this today. So I'm going to go to the other car that's got the exact same engine in, and I'm going to get a cam and crank waveform from it, and then see, because I know that's a known good. I'm going to test it against this one, and then go from there. If it's not that, obviously there's no fault codes on it, so no fault codes for the engine, just won't crank. There's no spark whatsoever. So it's basically one of them. I'm just thinking it's a timer might be slightly out, but who knows? We'll run some tests and we'll see. Right guys, this is what I'm taking it off. This mini here, same engine. So I'm into the cam sensor. There's only one on this. It's a inlet one, and then pin 13 on the top one. It's a really thin white wire. So there's our waveform there. So need to go back and have a look at it. So I've got enough there, so I've saved that now. And we'll go to the red one. Right, ready? Start. Still not fast enough. Give us a sec, guys. Right, let's try this again. Let's start it. Stop. Right, let's go back to the beginning. Looks a hell of a lot better. This is the one that we're going after here. So that's in the centre where it first kicks in, and then it's over to here at the first one. So I'm getting the known good in again. So I'm going after the larger one. So it's that one. It's in the same place. And which is that one. It's bang on there. The time's fine. I'm happy with the time. Right, so I got to the bottom of this one. I'll show you now what we've done. So when I was just looking at the oscilloscope again, I noticed one of the teeth was bigger than the rest. So I just wanted to come under and check the actual wheel on the crankshaft wheel. See if I can get you it. I'll turn you around. See if I can get you a picture. There, you can just see it there. That wheel. There it is. See the tooth. See, that's the pickup wheel, and one of the teeth are bent. can just see it there. That tube's bended up towards the crank sensor, so that's what was causing it to not start. There you can see it there, better there. So yeah, just by chance, I was looking at the data on the oscilloscope and I seen a tooth was bigger than the rest. So yeah, done. Right guys, with the crank sensor out, you can see it there better off. It's proper bend, so I'm going to try and push that back into place just so we can get it started and move it, but they're going to replace it. So yeah, cool. Right, I've straightened that back up. As you can see, it's not ideal, but might get it started. That's if no more of a bend, but we'll see. There's a lot of oil down here as well. Floor's covered in it, but look at this. Watch. They haven't tightened it up. Never mind. Right, place your bets. Is it going to start? What do you think? Are you plugging the R2 in?
Yeah.
Do you reckon? Is the battery alright?
Yeah, battery's on.
Right. What do you think?
Yeah, I want it to.
You want it to?
I want it to, like I really want it to.
Hey!
So you can start the rest of that now.
Stop swearing. That's it. So if you like the video, like and subscribe.
Sorry,
Cheers.
you might have to edit.